Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna make basbosa. It's a dessert mostly served by Arabian. For the wet ingredients we'll need 2 eggs, 185 gram yogurt, half cup milk, half cup oil, 2 tablespoon vanilla. And for the dry ingredients we'll need 1 cup coconut powder, 1.5 cup semolina, 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoon baking powder. And the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now in a large size bowl, let's pour the eggs, the 2 whole eggs, add the vanilla, now add the sugar. Now mix for 3 minutes until they are all combined. And now we are done. Now let's add the milk. Add the oil. Now add your baking powder. Now add your yogurt. Let's add the semolina. And lastly, add the coconut powder. Now using a spatula, mix it. And you don't have to over mix it. According to my mix, I have mixed 40 to 50 times, and once your batter is all mixed, you should stop. Do not over mix. For mixing, why I didn't use a whisk is because by using a whisk we can't be able to count how many times we mixed. It may get over mixed, so that's why I recommend spatula. It's better that way. Mine is done. Here I am using a casserole dish in the size of 39.2 into 23.6 centimeter, and I have greased it with oil. Now let's pour the batter in the casserole dish. Its excess, let's clean them using a spatula, and done. Now again using a spatula, let's flat down its surface until it is all over the base. Now let's dab it a little. Done. Now we need to bake it in the oven at 135 degrees Celsius in 45 minutes. Until that, you go and watch today's healthy tips and I will be back soon. Kiwi has a reputation as a health food because of its high vitamin C content, but the fruit is also rich in another nutrients. These may help reduce blood pressure, boost wound healing, help maintain bowel health, and more. And tada! We are almost done. Before it cools down, let's pour the syrup all over its surface. For the syrup, I have boiled 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, and half lemon's juice. First, in a cooking pot, dissolve the sugar in the water on the stove at high heat. Once the sugar is dissolved, turn the heat into medium and then add the lemon's juice. Then stir it for 1 minute, then boil it for 2 minutes. Alright, now let's slice it. You need to slice it in a diagonal way, just like you're watching in the video, and make sure you get a rhombus shape. Well, in my casserole dish in the size of 39.2 into 23.6 centimeter, in the first diagonal way, 7 cuts will be perfect. Now let's start cutting from the other diagonal way, and 8 cuts will be perfect. And done. Now let's put a pinch of coconut powder in every column of basbosa. After that, I will show you the last product of it. Instead of coconut powder, you can use peeled almonds too, but you should place them before baking the batter of the basbosa. Now that we are done slicing and sprinkling coconut powder, it's time to take them out. While I am taking out the basbosa, don't forget to like the video. The first 2 of them is out. Now let's remove the other 2. Almost there. Done. And voila, this is the last product of basbosa. As you can see, it's all baked and looks so yummy. Let me show you the other one. Its bottom looks perfect. And that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it and try it. And don't forget to like, comment, share. And my next video is going to be fatayel, another dessert. So go subscribe and ring the bell. I'm sure you'll be notified when I post my new video. Now bye and see you in my next video.